Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app or iDoFish Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me from my YouTube channel and asked me to buy an item on Xianyu Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. Okay, and then this is my time of service for anyone that want me to procure or buy or make payment for them on either on Pinduoduo 1688, Taobao, Shenyun, Alibaba or AliExpress or JD.com or any Chinese e-commerce app or website. You can read my time of service right here. So if you really want to use my services, just like so. So the next thing we want to do here, this is the product link right here, and I'm going to go ahead now. And this is the product link, and I'm going to go ahead and simply click on the product link from my DM right here. And then once we click on the product link, it automatically reloads to web page right here. So right here from the web page, this gives us an advantage to read the detail about the product because everything on web page here is going to be translated to English language. However, for every time you click on the product link and load you to the page and you have something like this, just need to make sure you click on here. This allows you to close this pump up because you cannot log in on the web as a foreigner. Okay. Now, what we need right here is to read the product detail, just like what you see right here, and at the same time, get a product code before you can buy. And for us to get a product code, we just need to expand and then go ahead and click on product code right here. Just like so. Now we have the product code. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply take a screenshot of the product code from the web page. Then I'm going to exit from here now, and I have to make sure I go ahead and open up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here to make the purchase. So for that, I'm going to click on my Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. So having load up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app, next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on this lens icon right here. Go ahead and click on here, and this is going to pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on this image icon. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select this particular code, and then click on open, and in a few seconds it automatically take me to the exact product page on Xianyu Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. Okay, so the next thing we want to do here is to see how we can actually buy this particular product from Xianyu without getting scammed. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do to purchase this product, I want to make sure we click on here. And the next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, I need one of 8 yuan with just 1 pieces. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. Allow the Alipay to connect. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then enter my payment password to complete the payment. Now payment done successfully. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. I have to make sure I click on here to go back. Then click on here to close this tab. Boom. And we have the product detail as the case may be right here. And this is exactly what we pay for. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and copy this particular detail and send it to the owner that asked me to buy this particular product right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on hold down, copy, or better still, I'm going to screenshot this part. And then I will go ahead and go back to my WhatsApp right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on here, my gallery, and send proof of payment, and at the same time the product details that we purchased, and say done. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, either on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idofish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, you can see my time of service right here. All you have to do is to send me a DM on my WhatsApp, and let's get started with your order. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to ship and import products from China, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.